In every shadow, there is a story. In every story, a hidden truth. And in every truth, a lesson waiting to be found. Welcome to Tales of Wisdom, where ordinary moments become extraordinary journeys, where mystery meets meaning, and where every tale leaves an echo deep within the mind. These are not just stories, they are reflections of life, of choices, of destiny. So prepare yourself, open your heart, and step into a world where every narrative speaks, every ending teaches, and every whisper carries wisdom. This is Tales of Wisdom. Let the story begin.